Most drivers don't realize this, but their car already has multiple features designed to save them from danger, stress, and massive repair bills. The problem is, nobody ever tells you about them. Not the dealer, not the mechanic, and definitely not the manual you never opened. According to AAA and Consumer Reports, thousands of dollars in unnecessary repairs happen every year simply because drivers don't know what their own car can already do. And one of the features we're covering today can literally save your life if you ever get stuck in traffic with a dead battery. So before you overpay, panic, or get stranded for no reason, here are 20 hidden car features no one knows about. Don't skip, because the first few could matter sooner than you think. Let's start with one of the most panic-inducing situations imaginable. Your battery dies while you're stopped in traffic or parked somewhere awkward, and suddenly you realize you can't shift your automatic car into neutral. Most people assume they're stuck, but here's the secret. Nearly every automatic car sold in the US has a hidden shift lock override. According to NHTSA safety requirements, this became standard after incidents where disabled cars blocked highways. There's usually a small plastic cover near the shifter. Pop it open, press the button underneath, and you can shift into neutral with zero battery power. This is pure mechanical backup, no electronics required. Knowing this can mean the difference between safely rolling your car out of harm's way and sitting helpless while traffic stacks up behind you. Now imagine this one. You walk up to your car, press unlock, and nothing happens. Your key fob battery is dead. Panic sets in. But here's the part almost no one knows. Inside nearly every modern key fob is a hidden mechanical key. Toyota, Honda, Ford, and other OEM manuals all confirm this. There's a tiny latch or button on the fob. Slide it, and a real metal key pops out. Even the door lock is usually hidden behind the plastic cover on the handle. This single feature can save you a $200 to $300 locksmith call. Yet most drivers go their entire lives without ever realizing it exists. Here's a feature that's literally about survival. Inside the trunk of every passenger car sold in the US since 2002 is a glow-in-the-dark emergency release handle. This became law after multiple deaths from people being trapped in trunks due to heat and suffocation. The handle stays visible in complete darkness and works even if the car has no power. One pull, and the trunk opens. It's there to protect kids, adults, and anyone who might ever be trapped. Check your trunk later, seriously. This one isn't optional knowledge. Now let's talk about something that saves daily mental energy. Ever walk away from your car and suddenly wonder, did I lock it? Many modern vehicles eliminate that anxiety entirely with walk-away auto lock. According to Consumer Reports, this feature automatically locks the doors once the key fob leaves a certain range. Some cars even flash lights or beep to confirm it worked. It's usually disabled by default, hiding in your settings menu. Turn it on once and you'll never second-guess yourself again. Here's a fast one that instantly makes you feel smarter. Look at your fuel gauge icon. See the tiny arrow next to it? That arrow tells you exactly which side of the car your gas cap is on. Kelley Blue Book confirms this has been standard since the 1990s, yet people still pull up to pumps on the wrong side every day. One glance at the dashboard and the mystery is solved forever. If you drive at night, this next one is a game changer. Your rearview mirror has a small tab underneath it. Flip that tab and headlight glare from cars behind you almost disappears. This anti-glare system uses dual reflective surfaces at different angles. NHTSA studies show glare is one of the biggest reasons older drivers avoid night driving, even though this fix has existed for decades. Flip the tab, save your eyes, drive calmer. Quick pause. How many of these did you already know? Be honest. Drop the number in the comments. Now let's talk about a tiny detail that can prevent massive engine damage. Inside your fuel door is a small hook or notch. That's not decoration. It's designed to hold your gas cap while you're filling up. According to Bosch and AutoZone fuel system guides, letting the cap dangle or placing it on dirty surfaces can introduce debris into the fuel system. That can clog injectors, damage the fuel pump, and lead to repairs costing thousands. Using the holder takes 2 seconds and protects one of the most expensive systems in your car. That little button on your dashboard with a circular arrow inside a car, that's your AC recirculation mode, and it's doing way more than blocking bad smells. According to EPA and manufacturer AC documentation, using recirculation can improve cooling efficiency by up to 20% in extreme heat. It reduces strain on the AC compressor and helps your cabin air filter last longer. Less strain means longer system life. That's real money saved, especially in summer. Here's a feature you'll love on hot days. Many cars let you roll down all the windows using just your key fob. Usually it's a double press or press and hold on the unlock button. This feature was designed to let trapped hot air escape before you even open the door. Cabin temperatures can exceed 150 degrees in direct sunlight. And no, cracking your windows does not meaningfully cool the car. That's a myth. Consumer Reports has tested it. This feature works. Use it. Now, for something that sounds wrong but absolutely isn't. Traction control. That button with the squiggly lines. According to NHTSA and Bosch braking system research, traction control is fantastic for slippery roads. But if you're stuck in deep snow, mud, or sand, it can actually keep you stuck by cutting engine power. Turning it off temporarily allows wheel spin, which can get you free. Once you're moving again, turn it back on. Knowing when to use this makes you look like a driving pro. If you've ever seen a snowflake symbol light up on your dash, that's not just a winter decoration, that's an ice warning. The system monitors outside temperature and alerts you when conditions are right for black ice. According to NHTSA, icy roads cause over 150,000 crashes a year, many from drivers who never realized conditions had changed. That symbol is your early warning system. Pay attention to it. Have you ever noticed that your music seems to get louder on the highway and quieter in town? Your radio isn't broken. It's speed-sensitive volume control. OEM audio systems use speed and cabin noise data to automatically adjust volume, reducing the need for you to mess with controls while driving. It's a safety feature disguised as convenience. If it annoys you, you can usually adjust or disable it in settings. Here's one most people never explore. Many cars have multiple hazard light modes. According to BMW, Mercedes, and Audi manuals, holding or double tapping the hazard button can activate different flash patterns or full exterior lighting for emergencies. It turns your car into a highly visible warning beacon on dark roads or in bad weather. Most drivers press the button once and walk away, never realizing how much more it can do. Let's talk comfort and safety at the same time. That lever on your steering column lets you tilt and telescope the steering wheel. According to NHTSA and IIHS data, proper wheel position improves control and ensures the airbag deploys correctly. Your arms should be slightly bent, and your chest should be about 10 inches from the wheel. Most people never adjust it and just live with discomfort. 10 seconds can change every drive. Here's a tiny feature with a big payoff. Many sun visors have a hidden sliding extension panel. Pull it out and it blocks glare that normally sneaks in from the side during sunrise or sunset. Car and Driver has repeatedly called this one of the most overlooked interior features. Once you use it, you'll never go back. Now let's talk theft prevention. Many vehicles have hidden storage compartments under seats, floors, or panels. Jeep, Volkswagen, and Infiniti have been hiding these for years. They're perfect for tools, emergency gear, or valuables you don't want visible. Thieves rarely search them because they don't expect them to exist. Out of sight really does mean out of mind. That annoying lane assist system that beeps every time you dodge a pothole, you can usually turn it off permanently. Consumer Reports has criticized overly aggressive lane systems, especially in city driving. Look for the icon of a car between two lines on your steering wheel or in the menu. Press and hold or adjust sensitivity. Myth busted, you're not stuck with it forever. Some cars keep the headlights on for a short time after you shut the car off. That's intentional. According to OEM electrical system guides, This delay helps prevent sudden darkness and protects certain electrical components. But if you're worried about battery drain, this setting is usually adjustable or can be disabled. Here's one dealerships don't advertise. Many cars have hidden service or maintenance menus that show oil life, battery condition, and system status. These are the same menus dealers check during inspections. You can access them yourself by following steps in the owner's manual. Knowing this helps you avoid unnecessary services and upsells. And finally, the biggest money-saving feature of all isn't a button or sensor, it's your owner's manual. According to AAA and Consumer Reports, ignoring factory service intervals is one of the biggest reasons drivers overpay for maintenance. The manual tells you what actually needs service, when it needs it, and what doesn't. Reading it once can save you thousands over the life of your car. Here's why you can trust My Motor Guru. Everything you just heard is backed by sources like AAA, NHTSA, Consumer Reports, Car and Driver, Kelley Blue Book, and official OEM owner manuals. No guesses, no myths, just real car wisdom made simple. If this video saved you money, stress, or future headaches, hit subscribe. More mechanic gate-kept knowledge is coming. This video is for education and entertainment. Always follow your car's owner's manual and use proper safety precautions.